Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting a recording now. Sign into the Zoom desktop app and confirm recording is enabled in Settings. Once done, choose Local or Cloud Recording depending on whether you want files on your PC or in the cloud. Make sure you select the correct microphone and run a quick mic test so levels aren't clipping. This saves time later. Then start or join the meeting and click the Record button to begin capturing audio immediately. This is your first actionable step to get clean captures. Once recording, manage it with the on-screen record, pause, and stop controls. Pause during breaks to avoid editing later. If you need clean individual tracks, enable the option to record separate audio files for each participant. This simplifies editing and level matching. Also, reduce background noise by closing other apps and use headphones to avoid echo. If your device supports sample rate or bitrate settings, choose a standard 44.1K HZ for consistency. These actions produce a usable. When you're done, click Stop and then End Meeting so Zoom can process and save the audio file. Once processing finishes, find local files in Documents/Zoom or log into the Zoom web portal for cloud recordings. Download or share from there. If you need a different format, convert WAV to MP3 in any audio editor. If recording shows silence, check microphone permissions, confirm the correct input device is selected, and restart Zoom. These steps resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.